Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize always on display on Honor Magic V3. To customize always on display, go to settings, then go to home screen style, always on display, make sure always on display is enabled, and now you can change the wallpaper for your lock screen, because on the always on display screen it's gonna display the lock screen wallpaper. So in order to change the always on display wallpaper, you need to change the lock screen wallpaper. You can set it to full screen or partial screen. So partial screen will not display the full wallpaper. You can go to display mode and set it to tap to show, scheduled, or all day. I'm gonna set it to all day, so it's gonna show all the time. And it's the setting for exterior screen, and for the interior screen it's gonna be tap to show. I'm gonna set it to partial screen, so I can choose a style for the always on display, and I'm gonna choose the digital clock. For example, this basic one. You can disable showing the date, notifications, and battery. I'm gonna enable all of those and click on apply. And now it's all set. When I lock my screen, it shows the clock, and on the interior screen it's gonna turn off after a while, but it will also show on the interior screen. And since I've set it to all the time, it's gonna be shown all the time. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.